In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Apple Calendar step by step. This is perfect if you want your ClickUp tasks to sync with your Apple Calendar so you never miss deadlines, meetings, or scheduled work. Whether you're managing personal tasks or running a team, this integration can save you a ton of time and keep everything organized in one place. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signing in with the workspace where you want the Apple Calendar integration enabled. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard where you can see your spaces, folders, and tasks. Next, look over to the left-hand panel of your ClickUp interface. Scroll down until you see the option called More. Click on More to expand additional settings and tools available in ClickUp. This is where ClickUp keeps integrations and advanced configuration options. After clicking on More, find and click on Apps. This will open the ClickUp Apps and Integration section, where you can connect ClickUp with external tools like calendars, time tracking apps, and automation services. Inside the Apps section, scroll through the list or use the search option to find Apple Calendar. Once you see Apple Calendar, click on it to open the Integration Details page. Here, ClickUp explains how the Apple Calendar sync works and what data will be shared. Now, click on the Configure button. This takes you to the setup screen where you can control how ClickUp connects with Apple Calendar. Configuration options may include which tasks sync, how due dates appear, and how often the calendar refreshes. Next, click on Connect. ClickUp will now prompt you to authorize the connection with Apple Calendar. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the necessary permissions so ClickUp can send task information to your Apple Calendar securely. Once the connection is established, review the settings one last time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click on Save. This final step activates the integration and ensures your ClickUp tasks will now sync with Apple Calendar. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Apple Calendar. From now on, your tasks and deadlines from ClickUp will appear in your Apple Calendar, helping you stay on top of your schedule without switching between apps. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.